Hello viewers, before starting the video I want to clarify that for making this informative video I have used multiple sources whose links are provided in the description box. Basic unit of a sentence is a word. Words are divided into different kinds according to their usage in a sentence. These different kinds are called parts of speech. Parts of speech are 8 in number. They are noun, adjectives, verb, adverb, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. In this video, our focus will be on noun. So, what is noun? Here we are going to take the common definition, that is, the name of a person, place, thing, quality, condition, and action is called noun. Its examples are Rajesh, Bihar, pencil, honesty, healthy, and movement. So, nouns are divided into two types, countable noun and uncountable noun. Countable noun, as the name suggests, are those which can be counted. For example, Ria, boy, tea, etc. Whereas uncountable are those which cannot be counted, right? As gold, water, oil, etc. Common noun is further divided into three parts: proper noun, common noun, and collective noun. Uncountable noun has two parts: material noun and abstract noun. So now let's understand all these parts individually. Proper noun. Proper noun denotes proper person, thing, place, etc. For example, Reena, Taj Mahal, Orissa. Common noun denotes common person, place, or thing, such as boy, tower, table, etc. Collective noun. This indicates group of person or other creatures and collection of things, such as a cluster of stars, a team of players, a herd of cattle, and a chain of events, etc. Material nouns denotes materials. For example, copper, silver, tea, etc. Whereas abstract noun denotes quality, action, or condition. For example, wisdom, humanity, pride, bravery, childhood, etc. Now let's take some examples for having better understanding of all these nouns. In these examples, the highlighted words are nouns. As in the first example, nouns are lady, bunch, keys, waist. The lady had a bunch of keys at her waist. In this, lady, keys, waist are common nouns, whereas bunch is a collective noun. In the second one, Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Ranchi, capital, Jharkhand. These are nouns. Ranchi is a proper noun as well as Jharkhand is a proper noun. But capital is a common noun. Third one, the ink is in the ink pot. In this, ink is a material noun and ink pot is a common noun. In the fourth one, always speak the truth. Here, truth is an abstract noun. You can pause the video to do the exercise. In number, nouns are of two kinds, singular and plural. There are certain rules to form plural of singular common nouns. Rules are: we add s to the last of a singular common noun for plural. For example, flat by adding s becomes flats, dog by adding s becomes dogs. If s, double s, sh, ch, x or z is the last letter of a singular common noun, we add es for plural. For example, brushes, watches. If F or FE is the last letter of a singular common noun, we replace them by VES for plural. For example, leaves and wives. Exceptions are there. Fourth one, if we change the middle vowel of some singular common nouns, then also we can make plural. For example, feet, men. There are only 3 nouns which are made plural by adding en or ren. These are children, oxen, and brethren. There are some more rules to make plurals. As in, compound nouns we add s to the main word. In sons-in-law, son is a main word, so we add s to it and make it sons-in-law. Then stepmother, in this mother is the main word, so we are going to add s with mother and make its plural, that is stepmothers. Same goes with commanders-in-chief. Then plural forms of letters, verbs, dishes and abbreviations are formed by adding apostrophe s. As in, B apostrophe S becomes bees, and 6 apostrophe S, M A apostrophe S. These are the plural forms of B, 6 and MA respectively. In certain abbreviation, full stops are not used. Their plural is made by adding simple s, as in MLAs, UFOs. Now spare some time to do this practice exercise number 2. Now let's do noun and the gender. This is going to be easy. Gender is divided into 4 parts: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. Masculine gender denotes male sex. Quite predictable, right? Feminine denotes female sex. Yeah. Common gender does not specify the sex. For example, baby, student, etc. Then comes neuter gender, which denotes non-living object like tree, ink pot, pen. Facts that are involved in noun and the gender. Nouns that denote beauty, gracefulness, fertility, softness, gentleness, etc. are considered as feminine gender. Therefore, singular pronouns and adjective like she, her, hers, and herself are used for them. Examples are moon, earth, hope, mercy, etc. Nouns that denote strength, firmness, or energy are considered as masculine gender. Its examples are the sun, time, death, winter, wind, summer, etc. Now do this practice exercise number 3. Now let's discuss noun and the case. The relation in which a noun stands to some other words is called case. Kinds of case are nominative, objective, possessive, and vocative. The nominative of address. So, nominative. Noun or pronoun that function as subject of a verb. That is called as nominative case. In objective case, noun or pronoun function as object of a pronoun. In the possessive one, when noun shows its possession with another noun, it becomes possessive case. The vocative, if a noun is called as Hey Ram. Let's discuss them with the help of examples. Dinkar wrote many poems in Hindi. In this, noun Dinkar is acting as a subject of verb wrote. So this is an example of nominative case. He helped Priyanka. Priyanka noun is at the place of object. So it is an objective case. The cow gives us milk. In this example, milk is an object. So this is also an example of objective case. The fourth one, this is Mohan's book. Whose book is that? Mohan's, right. So this shows the possession. Whose book is that? Mohan's book is that. So this is an example of possessive case, right? The fifth one, are you going, Vikram? Vikram, you are calling somebody with his or her name. So Vikram is an example of vocative case. Absolutely right. Now do the exercise number 4. Answers to all the exercises will be given in the next video. Thanks for watching it. Please don't forget to hit the like button